Are you very lazy, but you love making money online? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 laziest ways to make money online. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and this is the first laziest way you can make money online, which is investing in stocks. So name of this website is Stash. So on this website you can start investing in stocks as little as $5. So all you have to do, guys, is come to this website, sign up, invest $5, and you're going to start making money from stocks. Now, if you don't know anything about stocks, this website will help you and educate you on how to trade stocks. Now, these are all the things this website offers. So when you use our card, we'll give you stock in well-known brands. So they have plans to invest in yourself. So our plans can make it easy and affordable to build wealth. They also have a bank, so you can sign up with their bank. And they have a retirement fund, so you can start a retirement fund on this website. You can also help your loved ones with children's investment accounts. So they offer all that on this website, guys. Now here's some frequently asked questions. I'm not going to go over them because I have 2 more websites I want to show you. So if you want to come here and look at the frequently asked questions so you can learn a little bit more about this website, just go to stash.com. Alright guys, let me go to the second laziest way to make money online. Okay guys, I'm at the next laziest way to make money online. And the name of this website is Zoombox. So on this website you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. And it's free to sign up. All you have to do is put in your email and password. Or you can use Facebook and Google to sign up. Now how it works. Advertisers want engagements on their surveys, products, and services. We find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. Take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. Now here are some of the gift cards you'll get. As you can see, they have PlayStation, Xbox, iTunes, Google Play, and they have the Amazon gift card. So guys, once you accumulate $10 or more, you can get a gift card for that amount. Now I have an account, so what I'm going to do is log in and show you how watching videos work, since we're lazy and we want to get paid doing lazy things. So let me log into my account right now. Okay guys, I'm in my account. So if you just want to make money watching videos, you just click right here where it says watch. It's going to take you to this page, and as you can see, you have 2 different platforms you can use to watch videos. So we're going to check out TV, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make money just watching this video. So here's the video, and as you see, the ad is loading, and all you have to do is just watch that ad, and you're going to get paid. So to find out if you got paid for the ad, all you have to do is click on this money sign. It's going to take you to this page, and as you can see, it's going to show what's been completed, and it's going to show you the points. So once you accumulate a certain amount of points, they'll let you know. Then you can go here to get your reward. And again, here are the gift cards. They have several gift cards you can get. And here PayPal. So if you want to just get PayPal cash, you don't want to get a gift card or anything, You can just go right here, and if you have a PayPal account, just go ahead and transfer this into your PayPal account. Very easy. Okay, guys, to go ahead and start making money being lazy, go ahead and go to Zoombox.com. Now let me go to the third and final way to make money being lazy online. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website. The name of this website is Fetch Rewards. So they have an app. So if you have an Apple phone, you can download it from the Apple Store, or if you have an Android, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Now with this app, guys, all you're going to do is send them a receipt of something that you buy at a store or a restaurant. And you're going to redeem points for gift cards and other rewards. And if you want to go ahead and get more points to make more money, you can redeem for special offers, refer friends, buy popular brands, and submit e-receipts. And here are a lot of big companies that have talked about this website. As you can see, Forbes, BuzzFeed, InStyle, People. And right here are some of the reviews of people that use this website to make money. This person right here says, super easy, makes shopping a bit more fun. Love watching the points get deposited. And here are all the brands you're going to earn points from. Okay, guys, so go to Fetch Rewards, sign up, and start getting this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these websites, and please share this all around the internet. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. On that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go watch these other videos if you want to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.